Hey guys, how's it going? Andrew Superswag here, and today we have a bit of a different video for you. Something pretty cool that I thought I'd try. We've been developing a really bad leak in our bathroom, in our bath/shower. So I wanted to do an experiment to see if you plugged the bath and let the leak go, how long it would take to fill the bath. To try and get an idea of like how much water a leak is really wasting every single day. So basically, I'll show you the leak. So here is the leak. It's been getting worse and worse, pretty quickly. This is a pretty bad leak, to be honest. A normal leak, I would say, probably at least half as fast as this one, probably less than that. This is coming out pretty quick. So this is a lot faster than your average leak, but it's going to give you a really good idea of how fast it takes to fill a bathtub and really how much water we are wasting to, that could be used for something else. So I have a stopwatch on my phone, and I'm basically just going to plug the bathtub and we're going to see how long it takes for it to fill. And fill, probably around here, around this line. It's probably where we'll say it's full. If you're wondering, this red on the side is like a stain from our water. There's probably some kind of mineral in the water that's doing that. I'm not entirely sure what it is, but if anybody knows, I would be interested in finding out. It comes off pretty easily, we just haven't washed it in a little while. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to put in the plug and start. Alright, so that's going. That's just going to keep going, and we're going to let this fill up. Alright, so it's been only 8 minutes, and let's see where we are. Alright, it's not that full so far. It's kind of hard to tell with the lighting. The water's coming up right to the edge. It's about maybe a centimeter deep maximum there. And probably like 3 centimeters deep at that end. It's really not full very much at all. I'm thinking it's going to take a few hours to fill up this bathtub. Okay, so it's been about an hour now, and the bathtub is just about halfway full. I would say it looks about halfway. Yeah, that's just over an hour. It's an hour and 5 minutes it's been so far. So I'm thinking about 2 hours, and we're gonna be pretty much exactly full. All right, everybody. So it's been about an hour and 50 minutes, and I would say the bath is pretty much full at this point. You can see they were pretty much right at the top of that thing. That's pretty much a full bath, I would say. So yeah, less than 2 hours from that leak and this filled the bath, and you can kind of see, you can visualize how much water this really is. It's yeah, man, it's all wasted water because I'm not going to take a bath, obviously. Alright guys, so that was a pretty cool experiment. Hopefully it motivates you to fix a leak in your tap, because all that water does add up over time. The tub holds roughly 120 liters of water. It fills up every 2 hours. That's about 1,500 liters every day of water that's just wasted through the leak. Like I said, my leak is a bit extreme compared to a lot of others. Like if you had just a single drop leak, then you're not going to be wasting as much water. But yeah, hopefully this experiment kind of visualize how much water a leak really does create. Yeah, get your leak fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I got a bunch of other cool videos that you can come check out. And yeah, let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below. And I'll see you next time.